by doing this beautiful and an amazing, incredible drink this in afternoon. It's a beautiful day. 100% appreciate the love, guys. We guys sure. And yeah, we can just continue doing the work. We're not gonna give up. We are keeping the faith. And every day we give you guys recipe. They may look similar, but they're always different. Okay. So I'm gonna jump straight into it. And I'm gonna be making a beautiful recipe today. So whatever you guys do, man, happy Sunday. And remember, whatever you guys are doing, man, just remember to put God first. And just give God praise and glory all the time. Because at the end of the day, without God, we can do nothing. No matter what no one is saying, God's still in control of everything. Alright? Now I want to simply say to you, the ingredients I'm going to be using. I got some fresh mint, ginger, green apple, celery, cucumber, and lemon. I was going to get some spinach, but I said I'm just going to use what I have today. Alright? So let's jump straight into this. Beautiful one. Alright, guys? Yeah. So, yeah. Now, this is my blender, which I'm going to be using. I'm going to go straight into it with a portion of mint. And also, we're going to go into it with some fresh ginger. Alright. Beautiful. Nice. Alright. Yeah. Also, I'm just going to cut up the apple. That's it. Just to make it a little bit more easier. I'm going to cut up one medium size green apple. As we can get the show keep running. Alright. I'm always doing my healthy juice and my healthy recipe, guys. Alright. Alright, so I just cut up one medium-sized green apple. I'm gonna put it straight into the blender. Just like this. Lovely. I got half an organic cucumber. I'm gonna be using it. And I'm gonna cut it up. Alright. Lovely. That's the cucumber. I'm going to put it straight into the blender like this. Excellent. Alright. That's the rest. Now we're going to get some celery. I'm going to cut up the celery in the meantime. I love celery. Alright, and this is some celery. We're gonna put it straight into the blender like this. I got a few more celery. I'm gonna also put inside of it. Alright, that's the rest of the celery. Right there. Also, we're gonna get some lemon, or you can use lime. All right. Here it is. We're gonna put half a lime, or you can use lemon. So I'm using lemon at the moment. All right. Excellent. We're gonna put some water, 1 cup of water. And that looking good, guys. That looks amazing, as you guys can see that for yourself. Now what we're gonna do, all right, because there's a few things that you need to do with this recipe for it to work very effective for you at home. Okay, and this is one. We're going to put a pinch of apple cider vinegar in it. All right, excellent. Right there. what I'm gonna do, just to give it a little bit of a color, all right, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of blueberry in it, so it's gonna change the color a little bit, okay? But honestly, it's worth it. If you like to, you can put also a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. All right, some good organic honey, and that is amazing. Just gonna blend, let's put the lid on it, and we're gonna make some noise. All right, so all right, and this is the way it look, so we're gonna make some noise. So let's blend this up. All right, beautiful. Just gonna remove the lid. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run it through my large strainer. This one right here, okay? So let's run it through our strainer like this. All right, excellent. Right there, guys, look at that, amazing. So I just put the blueberry for it to give it that beautiful color. You just wanna give it a little bit of mix like this. Alright guys, that looking amazing. So what we're gonna do is take off just a little bit of the fat. I'm gonna just pour it into my other glass. But that is right here. Very good drink. Instead of drinking fizzy juice, this is what you want to drink. Right there, guys. Alright, and that is just amazing. So we're just gonna pour this in like this. Alright. What you can do, dip 2 slices of lemon into it like this. All right, and that is amazing. Enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments in the description box. I try my best to give you some of the world's best ever recipe, guys, and trust me, this is just fantastic for you guys to try something different at home. Now, the only reason why I like to make my natural juice, to be honest with you, I like natural juice. And not only that, it's also very good for the immune system. Protect your immune system, and that's what I normally do. I'm always making natural juice. I always try to make different kind of recipes and see what works best for you, all right? Now, if you like the recipe, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments. in the description box. Please tell a friend.